Em here from Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag with more fun ways to bust your scraps. Today we're going to be talking about the building blocks. These are simple units that you can use to make lots of different scrap quilts. Remember, if you like my scrap busting ideas, that you can join my free workshop and find even more fun ways to bust your scraps. I'll put a link to that in the description below. And if you like the video, remember to like and subscribe. All right, let me show you these fun scrap busting blocks. These are just basic units that you can use to build more fun quilts. So we have our half square triangle and we have our quarter square. We have our 9 patch, we have our 4 patch, and we have our flying geese. These are the basic units to build tons and tons of different blocks. I'm going to show you some quilts similar to the one behind me. This is my bear scraps. I'll put a link to those, the patterns that you can find them down below. But this one just combines a 4 patch and a half square triangle. Easy peasy way to bust your scraps. All right, let's look at some more. All right, this is my free-for-all pattern. It's just 4 patches. And they're just scaled within each other. So they start with a tiny 4 patch. And it gets a little bigger, and then it gets bigger. And then in the pattern, by twisting and turning those 4 patches, there are 4 different designs that you can create. Then we have floating boxes, which combines our 4 patch and our 9 patch for a simple but beautiful quilt. For our half square triangles, we have sunshine on a cloudy day. These are just half square triangles that have been twisted and turned so that they make this radiating star. Then we have mountain retreat, and here we're using 2 different sizes of half square triangle, and we've put them on point. And then for our flying geese, we have shooting stars. So we're just putting flying geese around a plain square fabric to make our shooting stars. And then in Picnic in the Park, these are just flying geese set in rows and put into like a rail fence kind of design to make this cute little quilt. As far as combos go, I showed you the bear scraps at the beginning of the video. And here is Fruition. With Fruition, I am combining 4 patches, 4 of them together to make a 16 patch. And then I am using half square triangles to make my leaf. With the Braveheart quilt, I have combined our hourglass and the flying geese. They make 4 hearts that come together to make the star. And then in my Harvest Sky, I'm combining all of the fun. It has 4 patches, it has 9 patches, it has the half square triangles both in pinwheels and friendship stars, and then it has the flying geese as it comes together to make the Maverick stars. So as you can see, these have the basic units, our flying geese, our half square triangle, our 4 patch and 9 patch to bust your scraps. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you want more, be sure to join my workshop. Thanks again. Bye-bye.